Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 24 is linear relationships. It says at the beginning of a 2-week training period, Cypress was walking 2.4 miles. She is going to add 0.3 of a mile each day to her walk. How far will Cypress walk on the last day of her 2-week training period? So I want to know how far will Cypress walk on the last day. That's a distance question. And the distance is expressed by the start value of 2.4 miles and the rate of change of 0.3 of a mile each day. So I'm going to allow x to equal the number of days in the linear relationship. So I have the distance at any day, d of x, would be equal to the start value, 2.4, plus 0.3 times the number of days, which is the rate of change. So the distance, d of x, is equal to the start value of 2.4 miles, plus the rate of change of 0.3 of a mile per day. I want to find the distance on the 14th day. So I want to find d of 14. So I'm going to allow x to equal 14. So 2.4 plus 0.3 times 14. If I punch 0.3 times 14 into a calculator and add 2.4, I find out on the 14th day, Cypress would walk 6.6 miles.